Cut my hair. Yeah, number 2. Yeah, I use a number 1 on my goatee and number 2 on my head. I don't know. I always guess, in the back. If I got a straight line. When I shave, I always shave across the back. Probably looks goofy or something. Don't tell me. Watch the car show. Listen to M83 Radio on Spotify. 9. I can't hardly see in here. It's getting really hard for me to read stuff. Yeah. The glasses from Dollar Tree. I got 8, 9 pairs, and not one of them do the landlord he was outside talking to the guy upstairs, and I called him in here and I showed him what I had done, and then I showed him that Mobile One jacket. He was really, these things are expensive. Yeah, okay. I'm puffing away here and drinking Pepsi, eating Hershey bars. Oh, that's a free ticket to roller skating at the Moose Lodge. They got Halloween, they gave them out. Yeah. I roller skating. Okay.